Hi, I'm Lindsay Cox, Senior Manager for Advocacy and Outreach at HFA. This month's Dear Addy question comes from It's Not a Limp, It's a Swagger. It reads, Dear Addy, I am going to have a knee replacement surgery next month, and I hope that I can get post-operative care in a skilled nursing facility. But I've heard that Medicare beneficiaries like me haven't in the past been able to get admitted into skilled nursing facilities. Am I missing something? Signed, It's Not a Limp, It's a Swagger. Great question. Dear Swagger, you are right that for too many years, Medicare beneficiaries with bleeding disorders found it hard or impossible to access care in skilled nursing facilities, or SNFs. That's because Medicare by law reimbursed SNFs on a bundled daily rate for patient stays. The bundled payment was not enough to cover the cost of medication used to control bleeding in a person with a bleeding disorder. As a result, most SNFs did not admit people with bleeding disorders due to the significant losses that the SNF would incur in meeting those individuals' treatment needs. The good news is that a legislative fix was included in a December 2020 law, thanks to years of continued advocacy on the part of the bleeding disorders community. The Hemophilia Skilled Nursing Facilities Access Act allowed SNFs to bill Medicare separately for clotting medications that administered to patients with bleeding disorders. This eliminates the reimbursement gap that previously made it hard or impossible for Medicare-enrolled bleeding disorders patients to access care in SNFs. The law went into effect on October 1st, 2021. Thanks to the new law, reimbursement issues shouldn't bar you from access to a SNF for post-operative care. You will, of course, still have to meet clinical criteria for admission to a SNF. As always, if you encounter difficulties in accessing appropriate care, please inform your Hemophilia Treatment Center or other treaters and the National Bleeding Disorders organizations so we can work to identify and help navigate any barriers. For questions or comments, please contact the Policy and Advocacy team at advocacy@hemophiliafed.org. As always, we enjoy getting questions from the community, so please keep them coming. Submit your questions at dearaddy@hemophiliafed.org. Thank you.